Today we're going to talk about Derma Roller. Does it work? Is it worth the investment? We're about to find out. What's a Derma Roller? Derma Roller, and I know it's been tossed around in the beard community because I was doing some research on basically something that's going to help me grow my hair faster or grow more hair in the patchy areas that I have. So I came across a Derma Roller. What it is basically a handle with a roller at the end that has a lot of little fine needles on it. The concept of it basically is it's a tool to stimulate hair growth. So let's dive into the science a little bit. This technique is basically practiced across the beauty world through men and women. Basically the idea is to have a controlled injury to your skin. Now, does it really hurt your outer layer of your skin? No. What it does, it creates, with those little needles, it creates little fine little puncture wounds on the top layer of your skin, which kicks the body into healing, into overdrive in the healing process, which leads into the skin releasing substance that stimulates hair growth. The skin also starts to make collagen, which is what you need for hair to grow as well. Using this product essentially is going to help you grow hair on those spots that you have difficult time growing. For an example, for me, is my cheeks on this side, and this side is where I have the most trouble growing hair. So after doing a whole bunch of research, I purchased the beard growth kit. The beard growth kit, what it brings inside of it is going to be a beard roller, sanitizer to sanitize that beard roller. It's going to have a metal beard comb. I wouldn't recommend a metal beard comb, but it's kind of neat. And then the activation serum. The activation serum is basically once you're done using the product or using the roller on your face, you, just like beard oil or beard butter, you put it on the spots where you have caused injury to it, which activates the hair follicles underneath your skin. Healing process kicks into overdrive, stimulates hair growth, and hair should start growing in that area. Now, I've been using this for the last 3 weeks, and in my personal opinion, it freaking works. It is amazing. I was having such a hard time growing hair on those cheeks, on those upper level of my cheeks, and I was getting frustrated. Started diving into the science. Started diving into what can I do to make it better, and this was it. Some people say it doesn't work. Some people say it works. I'm gonna tell you right now, it works. So when you open your kit, it's gonna look like this. It's basically going to have your roller, activation serum, sanitizer, beard comb, metal beard comb. When you take the little cap off of it, you're going to see the roller inside of there. It's just, like I said, it's just a little handle with little fine needles at the end, and you can use it. So essentially the idea is to roll up and down 10 times, just up and down like this 10 times on the places where you can't, you're having difficulty growing that beard or growing hair, right? And then side to side, boom, just like this. And there's just, you do that 10 times, same thing on the same exact, on the opposite side, boom, up and down 10 times, side to side 10 times. After doing that, you hit it with some sanitizer and just tuck it away right back into its little container. And you don't have to keep the box. I think the box is kind of cool on how it comes packaged. After you've done that, you hit it with the activation serum. That activation serum, what it does is kind of like beard oil. You get it into your skin, and it starts that healing process and starts the hair. It stimulates the hair to start growing. So, does it work? Absolutely. I would recommend anybody that's having a hard time with a patchy beard, depending on where it's at, to use it. I even use it underneath my my lip. So right here, a lot of hair has started to grow too. It's a great tool. It is cheap. You guys will love it. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, I can't even pronounce it. Critique. My bad. Critique. You know what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try it again. Put it down below. I'm gonna put this down below as well, where you can find it. Do some research on your own. If you like it, get it. Let me know. I'm not sponsored by these guys. It's just a product that I enjoy using. That has worked for me. Might work for you. Like I said, there's not a science. I'm growing a beard. Try a whole bunch of different things and see what works for you. This worked for me, and hopefully it works for you. See you guys later.